This is jackfruit. Jackfruit is a fruit which many people are not familiar with. So we're going to learn more about what it is, where it grows, how to harvest it, how to cut and eat it, and the health benefits of this fruit in general. So jackfruit is an exotic fruit with a spiky green outer layer and yellow inner, fruity pulp, which grows in tropical parts of the world such as Africa. How to harvest jackfruit. Now, jackfruit can be eaten when it's ripe and when it's unripe, although most people prefer harvesting it when it's ripe because it secretes a very sticky glue-like sap when it's unripe, which makes opening it very difficult. In fact, you need like hand gloves to open it up when it's not ripe. Now, when it's ready for harvesting, it gives off a very fruity aroma when ripe, and the outer skin turns yellowish in color. How to eat jackfruit. Now, jackfruit is a versatile fruit which can be eaten raw or cooked. To prepare it, you open up the fruit with a knife and remove the yellow fruit pods. The most commonly consumed part of jackfruit is the yellow flesh or the fruit pods, which are edible both when ripe and unripe. It can be used in sweet and savory dishes, including desserts and curries. Now, the seeds are also safe to eat, and most people prepare them like they prepare groundnuts. within the yellow fruit pods are the seeds that are also edible. Now, they can be roasted or boiled and then combined with seasonings to be enjoyed. Now, depending on the ripeness, jackfruit can be consumed plain or cooked into both sweet and savory dishes. Unripe jackfruit generally tastes best in savory recipes, while the sweetness of the ripe fruit is great for desserts. The sticky sap also disappears and turns into this fibrous tissue which holds the fruit pods within the fruit. The nutritional profile of jackfruit is very impressive. It contains a moderate amount of calories, and 1 cup of the sliced fruit provides the following nutrients such as vitamin A, C, magnesium, potassium, copper, manganese, fiber, and a lot of other nutrients. Now, this fruit has lots of health benefits too. It may help control sugar level. It also helps in protecting against diseases, and it also lowers blood pressure and a host of other things. Have you tried this fruit before? Let's know in the comment section, okay? Till next time, bye-bye.